Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Game Writer the Programmer, bringing you the second part in mastering Java programming from zero to programmer. So today we are going to be covering installing the Java development kit, which contains the compiler and other things that we need to actually run our Java program. And we're also going to be installing the IDE, which is just an advanced version of Notepad. As you can see, um, this is the Notepad. The Notepad can actually run your code because you can type it here and use this as your environment, and then you can actually run the code from the Notepad because that's another function for the Notepad. But then they have Eclipse. What this does is it's pretty much a very advanced Notepad. It's an integrated development environment, and what this does is that it's a programming environment integrated into software application that provides a GUI builder. All right, so it makes it easier for you to write code. So yeah, so I will show you how to get this and how to get it running. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open up a web browser, Edge. Then go to typing on Google Java development kit download. Click on the first one, and then accept license terms and agreements, and then download the one based on your uh what your computer runs. Like my computer is 64-bit, so I'm going to download the 64-bit. If you're 34-bit 32-bit, then download the one that says times 86. Once you have that downloaded, go over here, go into downloads. You should see, this is your file explorer. You should see this. Look for it, Java Development Kit, based on the version you downloaded. Just make sure it's the Java Development Kit, and then run it and install it. Just hit next until it's installed. Then once you have that installed, open up your web browser again and go to Google again and type in Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Yes, right here. Now, like we said, this is an integrated development environment, IDE. It's an advanced version of Notepad. That's pretty much what it does. You still write your code on it. You run your code. The Java programmer, Java compiles your code, executes your code. So yes, download the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. If you're 64-bit, download this. If you're 32-bit, download this. If you don't know how to check which one you are, that's very simple. Just go to Control Panel, hit System and Security, hit System, and you should see it right here, 64-bit operating system. You should find out which one you are. Alright, so once you have that installed, just save it, or just open it, save it. Once you have that installed, you should see this right here. What you have to do is extract it. Right click and click on extract to. You should have a folder like this though that appears, and should look something like this inside of it as soon as this is done. There we go. Right inside of it you have this Eclipse, and then you have this. That's the exe, that's our actual application. So that's the software, it's installed now. But I'm going to delete this right here because I already have mine on the desktop. I like it there, so I just dragged it to my desktop. Delete that, go ahead and delete that. Yes. Now, once you have that, you have your you've installed your Java development kit, you've installed your Eclipse. Go ahead and open it wherever your folder is and run it. Eclipse. Now, this is what it looks like. The first time you run it, you should see, you should see this. This is your workspace. This is, Eclipse stores your projects in a folder called workspace. So this is where everything you do is going to be stored. So put it somewhere you're going to remember. I'm gonna put mine in documents because I always remember. I always go to my documents. Okay, there we go. Now it's gonna load. Give it some time. All right. As soon as it's done, the first time you're running, you should have one, two, three, four things at the top left corner. Um, one of them tells you the tutorials, quick start guide and stuff. Just click on workbench and it should bring you here. Once you get here, this is where we're going to begin writing our code, and everything we do, we're going to do it here, and you're going to see just how efficient it is and how nice it is to have Eclipse as your IDE. It makes coding a lot more easier. If you can't install Eclipse or Java, you can always go to internet, go to repl.it and go to Java. There we go. So this is your online code environment. Anything we do, you can also do it here. Just that you don't have the benefits that Eclipse has. But anything that we do here, you can still do it here. So this is another place for you to learn. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, drop a like. It helps a lot. Subscribe. I appreciate you taking out your time. See you in the next lesson.